everyone, on this driveway tips we show you how to disconnect and reconnect the battery on your BMW Z4 chassis code G29.
Let's start by making sure the top is down so you have more room to work, and then opening the trunk so we can disconnect the battery. Lift up and remove the floor panel. With a 10mm socket, remove the negative battery terminal and set it aside.
And now, reconnecting.
Reconnect the negative terminal on your battery, replace the floor panel, and you're done.
And that is how you disconnect and reconnect the battery on your BMW Z4 chassis code G29. What would you like to see us do a driveway tips video on next? Let us know in the comments below.